it's high time to learn English. Let's learn together. Hello everyone, I am Pooja Ahuja and welcome to this channel. So today I am going to share with you common vocabulary in daily conversation. So you can see here the list. The first one is however, next though, although, next is in terms of, with regard to, next is hardly, next introspection, next retrospection and nostalgia, next is dilemma, catch-22, and after that I will discuss with you the difference between dissatisfied and unsatisfied. I asked you the difference of these two words in my last video. Some of you already know the difference, but some of you were asking me, so that is why I am covering here in this video. Somebody has asked me the difference between affect and effect, so I am going to cover it in this video. To do, subscribe my channel and hit the like button because it motivates me to make more videos. Before I start, let me tell you one thing, that I will not go deep in words. I will not say you that this is adjective, this is conjunction, this is noun, and in parts of speech we use it as a noun, we use it as a adjective, we use it as a conjunction. I will not say you these things. I will not go deep in words. I will give you only overview of the words, that this is the words and in this way we use it, and I will give you the specific use of it, because you know in English every word has its different meaning. In different contexts we use it. So again, we are not here to do PhD in English. We are here to learn the usage of word, that where to use it and how to use it in speaking. That's all. Again, I will not go deep in words. So I will give you here only the specific meaning of a particular word so that you can use it at the time of speaking. That's all. So the words are but, however, though, although. We use these words in contradictory sentences. Now, what does contradictory sentence mean? Contradictory sentence mean when we join two sentences and these two sentences have different meaning, opposite meaning. Let me give you example. Sentence is I invited my friends for dinner. They didn't come. Second sentence is they didn't come. So here we can join these two sentences by using but, however, though, although. How? First of all, let me tell you these two sentences are contradictory sentences because one has positive sense and second has negative sense. How? I invited my friends for the dinner. This is positive. This is it has positive sense, that it is all right that I invited my friends. They didn't come. It has negative sense. Yes. So these two sentences are contradictory sentences. Let me give you another examples for the contradictory sentences. I can say he is poor. He is happy. First is he is poor, that is a negative sense, but he is happy, it is a positive sense. Another sentence, he is rich, but he is miser. First sentence, he is rich, it is good, he is rich, but he is miser. Next is, I worked very hard to qualify the exam, but I failed. So the first is I worked hard, it has positive meaning. That means at least I tried. And second, I failed, it is negative sense. So now I think you understand that what does contradictory sentence mean. The first is positive, the first gives positive meaning and the another gives negative. So now I think you understand that what does contradictory sentence mean. Let's come to the first example. I invited my friends for dinner. They didn't come. So I can use here but, because these two sentences are contradictory sentences. I invited my friends for dinner, but they didn't come. Instead of using but, I can use here however, because this is advanced form of but. So I can say, I invited my friends for dinner, however, they didn't come. You can use here though or although. Though I invited my friends for dinner, they didn't come. Although I invited my friends for dinner, they didn't come. Okay, so do not use but with though and although. Okay, we cannot use but with although and though. You cannot say, though I invited my friends for dinner, but they didn't come. But is incorrect here. Okay, but is incorrect here. We cannot use but with though and although. Another example, I wanted to give her a beautiful gift, but she refused to accept. Instead of saying but, you can use however. I wanted to give her a beautiful gift, however she denied, however she refused to accept. Although I wanted to give her a beautiful gift, she refused to accept. Though I wanted to give her a beautiful gift, she refused to accept. Another example, he is poor, but he's happy. He's poor, however, he is happy. Although he is poor, he is happy. Though he is poor, he is happy. So I think it is clear to you that how to use however, though, although. If it is clear to you, so please make some sentences in the comment and write in the comment box, and I am going to read your comment and I will definitely reply you. Next is in terms of, with regard to. In terms of mean with regard to means something which is related to something, so we say in terms of. Example, if you ask me, how was your birthday celebration? So I can say, my birthday celebration was good in terms of food, but horrible in terms of weather. The weather was not good, but the food was good. So I can say in terms of. Example, in terms of improving your communication skills, you have to practice a lot. Another example, I can help you in terms of your academic problems, but not in your financial problems. Next is hardly. Hardly means only just, very few, very little. In Hindi we can say mushkil se. I will take hardly 5 minutes to complete this project. Just 5 minutes I will take to complete this project. I want to say it by using hardly. And she hardly takes 10 minutes to reach her home. She lives in Indore, so I hardly meet her now, but I really like to keep in touch with her. I hardly slept at all last night. Next words are introspection and retrospection. These two words have root word that is spect. Spect means to look or observe something. So the first word here is introspection. Introspection means self-analysis, self-observation, self-examination. Introspection. Next word is retrospection. It means to look back in past events. That means you are thinking something about past, so you can say there retrospection. Retrospection means to look back in past and think about past events. Another word is that can replace retrospection is nostalgia. Nostalgia. It means we are thinking something about past events. Now I am asking you one question. That is, can you give me, is there any difference between retrospection and nostalgia? Can you search it for me? So please write in the comment box if you know. Write in the comment box that what is the difference between retrospection and nostalgia. If really there is a difference, so write here in the comment box. I will definitely cover it in the next video. Next word is dilemma and catch-22. Both have same meaning. It means the state of confusion. The state of confusion, we say dilemma and catch-22. Whether you can say dilemma or you can say catch-22. That means you are unable to take decision what to do, what should be the next step. You are unable to take decision. That means you are in a state of confusion. So you can say I am in a dilemma, right? So the synonym of dilemma is catch-22. Now let's come to the next point. I asked you a question in my last class that what is the difference between dissatisfied and unsatisfied, and many of you tried well and gave me right answer, but some of you were asking me that what is the difference between dissatisfied and unsatisfied. Now let me tell you what is the difference. First one is dissatisfied. It means displeased or unhappy. Displeased or unhappy. For example, I ate meal from the restaurant and fulfilled my appetite. However, the taste was not good, so I am dissatisfied with it. Next is unsatisfied. It means unfulfilled. It means not satisfied with the quantity. For example, I ate meal from the restaurant, but my appetite was still unsatisfied. It means I need more. It means I am not satisfied with the quantity. Again, I am repeating the sentence. I ate meal, but my appetite was still unsatisfied. It means I need more, right? Unsatisfied means not satisfied with the quantity. Dissatisfied means you are unhappy with something. Yesterday, somebody asked me the difference between affect and effect. So that is why I am telling you the difference between affect and effect. So the first word is affect. It is a verb. Affect is a verb, and the meaning of this word is to influence, to act on, or produce change in something. Affect is a verb. Example, the cold weather affected the crop. The sad music deeply affected his mind. Your opinion cannot affect my decision. Next word is effect, and it is a noun, and it means result and consequence. When any word shows the result and consequence of something, so we use their effect. For example, this face pack has a wonderful effect. The effect of this medicine is very strong. I can see the effect of my speech among people. That's all for today. The words that I discussed with you today, make some sentences and write in the comment box. I will definitely read your comments and I will give you reply. I will come back tomorrow with a great content. Till then, keep learning, keep watching my videos. Bye-bye and take care.